Addition. 1. Count the pictures. Read the sentences. Write the numbers in the boxes and solve the sums. Let us count the saplings we have. 1, 2, 3. 3 saplings in a garden. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more saplings planted. Equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 saplings in all. So 3 saplings in a garden plus 5 more saplings planted is equal to 8 saplings in all. Let us count the apples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mangoes. Equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 fruits in all. So 10 apples plus 8 mangoes is equal to 18 fruits in all. Let us count the beach balls we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beach balls. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 football equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls in all. So 5 beach balls plus 5 footballs is equal to 10 balls in all. Let us count the blue caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blue caps. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red caps equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 caps in all. So 8 blue caps plus 6 red caps is equal to 14 caps in all. Now let us count how many green balloons we have. 1, 2, 3. 3 green balloons. Plus 1, 2, 3. 3 pink balloons equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons in all. So 3 green balloons plus 3 pink balloons is equal to 6 balloons in all.